Nampak sedap lah this zucchini fritters. So let's give it a try. This is really good. Give it a try at home. Okay, so right now I'm going to make the zucchini fritters and I'm going to shred the vegetables using this Panasonic food processor. Right, so I'm going to add in the carrots. Okay, then I'm going to add in the zucchini, yellow zucchini. Okay, so next up is the onion. Put it in, blend. Okay, so once we are done, we can remove this from the food processor. Transfer it into a bowl. And as you can see, by us using the food processor, we won't kelang kabut and our place won't be so messy. Right, so just like that, and then we're going to put in some salt. Right, so if you're done mixing it well, just put it aside for a few minutes and let's preheat the oven. Okay, it's been a few minutes now and let's squeeze out the excess water from this vegetable. Right, so all you need to do is just squeeze as much as possible. Okay, so just going to put this away and now just season it with pepper, some baking powder to make it fluffy and nice, eggs, 2 eggs, give it a good mix before we add in the flour. Okay, so once it's well mixed, add in the flour, sprinkle in the flour and mix it well. So we're going to divide this portion into 5. Make it as round as possible. Right, so it's done here, so let's put it into the oven. Alright, so the zucchini fritters is done. Let's take it out. Right, so for the roasted vegetables, you're going to put in the baby potatoes that I've cut into smaller cubes, carrot, Brussels sprout, onion, and also the cherry tomatoes. A little bit of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and also paprika. So lastly, just put in some olive oil and mix it well. Okay, so mix it well, then we're going to transfer it onto the baking tray. Spread it out and right, so once done, let's put it into the oven. Okay, so it's very healthy and just look at all these lovely colors and the carrot, potato, bawang. And now let's take this fritter. Right, so there you go, the last piece of the zucchini fritters. Enjoy. This is it, the zucchini fritters with baked vegetables.